Hey guys, welcome back. It's Deb from Bowl Me Over. I have something different for you today, and I think you're really going to like it. You know, when Dan and I went on our last cruise, we kind of fell in love with smoothies, and they offered them for breakfast, and so every day was something different. And we've carried that here at home, and it's something I have on the blog now. And so I thought you might like to try this. This is an apple pie smoothie. Yes, it tastes like an apple pie. It's really good. It's actually really good for you too. So it's great for breakfast. It's great for a snack. We absolutely love them. And I don't want to blather too much, but you know, just to give you an idea, there's a ton of smoothies on the blog. There's peach pie smoothie. There's almond joy smoothie. There's a cherry smoothie. Of course, a chocolate banana smoothie, mixed berry smoothie. I have a mango one coming out. Oh, a peach smoothie, there's a ton. And I have a ton more planned, a green smoothie too. And just because there's so many options, it's a great way to eat, get some extra veggies, some extra fruit. Anyway, I think you're gonna really like this recipe. So what we're starting with are, the basics are apples. I use an oat milk, so that's what I have here. Some oatmeal, and this is the long cook oatmeal. You don't need the quick cook. Some cinnamon, some vanilla, yogurt. I use Greek yogurt. And if you like things a little sweet, some maple syrup and some ice. That's all we're gonna need. Takes literally 3 minutes. So let me show you how easy this is to make. So just to get some of the stuff out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and pour these into our blender. And I'm making like a double today, so we have enough to show you how pretty it looks when you pour it in the glass. But basically you need, let's see, 3/4 of almond milk. I think it's like half a cup of yogurt, and then an apple, just a few more quick things. And of course, I forgot my knife. Hang on, sorry about that. But I don't even get too fancy about my apples. I'm just gonna, because that's a pretty good blender. It's gonna do all that for me. Just kind of give them just really a rough chop. And usually it's only one that I'm making, but again, we're doubling it up today. We're feeling festive. I'm using, I think it doesn't really matter what type of apple you use either. These are a honey apple. What are they? Honey, I can't remember. But you could use a Granny Smith. You could use any type that you prefer. You just want to make sure that it's an apple that you love, right? Easy enough. Okay. Every apple pie has some vanilla and some cinnamon. So we're going to add those next. And I want about a teaspoon of each. And that's going to give it that apple pie smell that we love and that apple pie flavor. Okay. I'm going to give this a whirl first, and then I'm going to add some ice, because I like them super cold and frosty. So hang tight with me. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of ice. And that's totally up to you, like how much ice that you wanna add. Whether or not you like it super cool. You know, just a little frosty. You don't even need the ice because it will actually dilute the flavor a little bit. And at the same time, I'm gonna add a little sweetness. You could use honey, you could use brown sugar. Brown sugar would be a little grainy, but you could use that, or maple syrup, and that's what I'm adding today. It's about a tablespoon. Okay, let's start this again. Just like that. How easy, right? So Let's see what we think here. Oh, it's just frosty and light. Now, to make this a little extra special, let's just add some cinnamon right to the top, and that'll be beautiful. Cheers to a great morning, right? Let's start the day off right. Oh, that's good. What comes across in that, the cinnamon is really forward, partially because I've sprinkled a bit on the top, but you can taste the cinnamon and the vanilla. It's sweet from the apple. It's creamy. And you would think using rolled oats, you're like, I don't know about that. No, it's perfect. As long as you have a blender that's going to chop everything up well. And, you know, if your blender isn't as strong as this, no problem. Just run it an extra 30 seconds. It takes me about 30 to 45 seconds from start to finish. And it's done, just that easy. I hope you give this easy recipe a try. We love it. I hope you do too. We'll see you next time. Don't forget, all the ingredients are below, the instructions, all the good stuff. Check out the blog. I'll link some more of the yummy recipes, the smoothie recipes below as well. See you next time.